There we go, don't talk. Hi guys, what up? It's always Matchbox Kid in the house again today. And it's really snowy. We're in the blizzard right now. It's late at night, and at the end of this video, please remember to smash that like button, hit subscribe. And today, for Christmas, I just got this traxxas, not the Hoss, the traxxas Rustler 4x4. Not the VXO, the regular, not the brushless motor, and this is not my first traxxas. So my first one was the / two-wheel drive. We're just gonna take this out, test spin this all-wheel drive / in this deep snow and on the road over here. So we'll start right now. Guys, that's it for this video. Remember to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.